Welcome back to Bike Update. Today, we're taking a concise look at the 2026 Moto Guzzi V100, a motorcycle that blends Italian heritage with cutting-edge technology and modern sport touring performance. Design and styling. The 2026 Moto Guzzi V100 continues its bold, aerodynamic design with sharp lines and an unmistakable transverse V-twin layout. Active aerodynamics, premium bodywork, and refined detailing give it a futuristic yet classic Moto Guzzi identity. Engine and performance. Power comes from the liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering smooth torque and strong mid-range performance. The V100 is tuned for both spirited riding and long-distance comfort, offering impressive acceleration while maintaining excellent highway stability. Technology and features. The V100 stands out with advanced electronics, including ride-by-wire, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and semi-active suspension. A full-color TFT display keeps all essential information clear and accessible. Comfort and handling. Designed for real-world riding, the V100 offers an upright riding position, effective wind protection, and balanced chassis dynamics. It handles twisty roads confidently while remaining comfortable for touring and daily commuting. Final thoughts. The 2026 Moto Guzzi V100 is a unique sport tourer that combines innovation, performance, and unmistakable Italian character. It's a compelling choice for riders who want advanced technology without sacrificing soul. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more motorcycle news and updates.